we are having another signal issue. 4.2 kilometers out of signal entirely. Out of signal. Now we are out of signal totally. Okay, guys, I have to come back. I have to come back now because DJI has advertised the Mini 5 Pro with the RC2 controller to be able to get us 20 kilometers. Well, here I am today to really see how far I can get with this particular drone. This place I am today is an urban area with Wi-Fi connections. I also have cell towers all around me. The question is, how far can I get this particular DJI Mini 5 Pro in an urban area? Come along with me. Let's do this particular urban range test together and find out. So I'm just going to lift off the drone. That was a very risky one. So I'm just going to push forward. Let's see how far we go before the drone begins to warn us of signal loss and things like that. So let me just follow this road like this. Some 10 minutes I will take it up to avoid collision with any obstacle. Okay, so I'll just keep moving. All right, and we'll see how far we'll go. All right, I'm also keeping an eye out, watching my sensors, but this time I am just pushing forward. I'm already getting a signal interference warning. The reason for that is the antenna was not put on, so always remember to turn on your antennas. 756 meters, the bars have already dropped, so I'm going to take the drone up again and then keep going. I've regained 4 bars, so I'll keep taking it up. Okay, even at 120 meters in altitude, I still have 1 bar dropped. So the signal has dropped by 2 bar again. You can see it, I'm at 1.5 kilometers. Okay, I've already regained signal again. So, and the battery now is 84%. I've dropped signal, it has already regained back again. It keeps dropping and coming back again. And the height, like you see here, is 121 meters in altitude. So signal has dropped again. Signal keeps dropping, come back again. I'm also believing that the issue here is the interferences in the area with network, cell towers, and the rest of them. So that's the issue we might have here. So you can see we are still dropping in signal. Weak signal, we are already getting that particular weak signal at 2.5 kilometers. It has gone red, it has gone back to yellow again. If I push higher now, I'm not close to an airport, so I am safe to go higher. I am at 2.7 kilometers. Can we get 3 kilometers out of this? Weak signal. This is bad, guys. This is bad. This is bad. Like it has gone red. Okay, we are back to yellow, red again. So I can't. Oh God, let me push back up again and see if I can still get something out of this. Battery is not the issue here. Oh, okay, 3 kilometers. Max altitude reached. I think I set it at 200. Okay, 230. But the issue now is that, okay, we have regained control again. If you are still here and you enjoyed this particular video, I have one small favor to ask of you. Please help me cross 1,000 subscribers. We can achieve this together if you subscribe to the channel right now and also hit that particular like button so that the algorithm can show this particular video to more drone enthusiasts like you and I. Thank you for doing that. Weak signal, weak signal. So let me check my battery. We have 9 minutes before it tells us to return to home point. So battery is not the issue here per se, but now signal. I've already reached 230 meters in height, so I'm trying to see if I can push it to 2.5 kilometers. I'm raising my controller up. The place that I am also might have an influence on it because there is no elevation. Rather, where I'm standing is even kind of more downwards. Okay. Can we get 4 kilometers out of these guys? Can we get 4 kilometers? Can we get 4 kilometers? I think at 60%, I will start to come back. At 60%, if battery gets to 60%, I'll start to come back. I don't want any issues. I'm at already beyond 4 kilometers. So no matter what, at 60%, I'll start to come back. So like you can see now, it's not just the signal. Okay, we are having another signal issue. 4.2 kilometers out of signal entirely. Out of signal. Now we are out of signal totally. Okay, guys, I have to come back. I have to come back now because we are at 4.3 kilometers and I'm losing signal. So I'm going to tell it to return to home point now, guys. I'm going to tell it to return to home point. All right. I'm going to tell it to return to home point. So that's so I even like it has not even regained signal with the controller. It's still that far and it has not regained signal with the controller. Auto return 26 minutes until return to home point, until first landing. Okay, 29 minutes until battery depletes. I believe we should be able to get back by that. So I will lower the altitude. All right. Why is it not moving? Okay, I'm trying to lower the altitude and it's not moving. Okay, we are 3 kilometers, 25 minutes until return to home point. Even right now, it has not even regained control with it has not even regained the transmission with the controllers. I'm still seeing red, but hopefully it will bring it back to us. Weak signal. I'm still getting weak signal, guys. I'm still getting weak signal. I hope that we are able to return this particular thing to the home point before any mishap. Okay, it's now regaining signal with the controller. It's now 2 bars. It's now yellow 2 bars, right? It has lost signal again. It's now showing us red. This is urban range test, guys. Urban range test on the Mini 5 Pro. Are you enjoying this? Okay, we are at 59, 54%, 58%, 3.2 kilometers. Okay, I'm going to call this now and I'm going to lower my altitude. Okay, I'm returning to home point on my own now. I have to lower the altitude so that there will be less wind resistance. Okay, let me put it up to the extent that I can get control, can get signal. Okay, and I'll push it forward because I'm getting 15 miles per second if I'm pushing forward, as I'm using it on manual mode to return it. But if I put it on auto return to home, I am getting almost less than 5. I'm getting 5.7. Let me see highest I can get with auto return to home. 10, 12, 11, 12 on auto. Okay, 12 on auto return to home. But if I'm pushing it myself, I don't want any battery issue. 17 minutes. Okay, can we get back here? Can we get back here in less than 17 minutes? All right, guys. I'm still losing control. In terms of the connection, I'm still losing connection. Can we get here? Can we get here? We are 1.7 kilometers. And our battery is 8 minutes. In less than 10 minutes, can we get back to this place in less than 10 minutes? Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. I will lower my altitude again. a little bit so that it will not fight the wind that much. Okay, you see, as I lowered my altitude, the battery life has increased to 14 minutes. So know this, guys, how high you are on the sky affects how much battery consumption your drone undergoes while flying. So I lowered down to 66 meters and I've regained very many distance. So we are here, guys. We are still at 51% and I am less than a kilometer away. Okay, I am at almost 800 meters now, and I've also regained full connection on the RC. Okay, where are we? Okay, I've not seen the drone yet. We're at around 300 meters. I'm supposed to I've started seeing my drone right now, but I've not seen it yet. Okay, I can see my drone already. So it is somewhere that I can see it already. So I will just tell it to return to one point so that it can just come to me. All right. So I'll just tell it to return to one point. Okay, that is it there. All right, guys, you have seen it. We're able to get only about 4 kilometers out of this particular DJI Mini 5 Pro. The question is, did DJI lie to us when they told us that this particular drone can get to 20 kilometers? Well, I wouldn't say that DJI lied. The only thing I can tell you for sure is that your experience of it will be dependent on your environment plus so many other factors. This is just an urban range test. I will take it further into the heart of the city to also check what I can get out of it. So if things like this interest you or you enjoy filmmaking content, subscribe to the channel right now if you have not done that, and see you on the next one.